Hey there, what's up everyone? Welcome to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a classic dish, YangZhou fried rice. This is a quick and easy stir fry, and with a few simple ingredients, you'll be able to create this dish at home too. I'll take you through step by step on how to make this fried rice. Let's go. Alright guys, rice, ham, peas, prawns, spring onions, and carrot. Carrots, half, dice it into cubes. Spring onions, separate the greens from the whites. Finely slice. There we go. Prawns. These prawns are quite big, so I'm going to cut them into smaller cubes. Ham. Quite a big piece of ham here. We're only gonna need about a third, and also cut it into little cubes. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and give it a quick whisk. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on. Some hot water in the wok. So what we're going to do first is we're going to boil the carrots and peas. Give it about 10 seconds and drain it out. Heat up your wok again, add some oil. Now we're going to fry the prawns and the spam. Prawns and spam go in. Cook it for about 20 seconds until it's nice and golden brown. Drain it out, quick wash. Heat up your wok again. Get it nice and hot. Oil, egg, rice, spring onion whites, and fry the rice. Get it nice and soft. See the smoke coming out? That's the wok. Now the rice is nice and hot. We season. Pinch of salt, pinch of MSG, meat and veg back in, and some light soy sauce. Back on high heat. Fry everything together. Yeah. Spring onion greens. Get it nice and smoky. And now we serve. This is how you make YangZhou fried rice. Let's give it a try. That's amazing. That's so good. The ingredients work so well together. Simple seasoning and a lot of wok. Make sure to give it a try, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!